Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share my latest paper bag mini album project. I used Graphic 45 Mother Goose collection, and it's the 8x8 paper pad. I love the papers from Graphic 45. They're expensive, but the papers themselves have so many images that you can cut out and make into your embellishments, which I'll share with you I did throughout the album. And they always have nice cutouts for journal cards and more photo mats and stuff. So, okay, so let's get started. I used black paper bags, a ribbon style binding, and I showed how to do a tutorial on the ribbon style binding a long ways back, so I will post a link below this video to that if you're interested. I used blue tulle, gold and black fun fur, and then I have a doily on the front. It's like a beige doily from, is it Papercraft? Yeah, oh, it's the Paper Studio die cuts. These are the peach ones I have, or pink ones, but they have beige. They have all different kind of colors, and I got these at Hobby Lobby. And then I just cut out a tag here and a journal card here, or one of the cutouts here, and I backed them with black cardstock. And then I have some seam binding and green stars, because this is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star from Mother Goose. And then I have I made a paper rosette here, used my scallop circle there. So that's basically the front cover. And then there's 3 of these nice big side pockets for photos, extra photos. And then inside I tucked in these cute little booklets for even more photos. So that's one of them. And then I used my small scallop circle to make my pull-out tabs for these booklets. And then there's also 3 of these side pockets on the inside as well, and those I made from the paper bag itself. And then here's one of those images I was telling you about that you can fussy cut out, and then you can use them. If you place them on, right, you can pop a photo up right underneath them. But it's nice because you can use all of these as your embellishments throughout your mini albums, so kind of helps with cost. And they always have such adorable images. But I have some of that doily behind here as well, and this is also popped up on foam for dimension. And then in each of these pockets I have some of those cutouts. So this nice journal card, and then you could put photos on here. Aren't they cute? Just really, really love this paper. Okay, so let me tuck this back in. And these are the next 2 pages. Really nice area for a nice big photo. And then I made these banner pieces and a heart punched out from the paper, and your photos will slide right behind them. And same thing on this side from the paper. And then there's another one of those nice big side pockets with another booklet inside for more photos. And here's another image that I cut out and put on as my embellishment for this page, and a photo will easily slide behind. Another doily on the top and bottom, foam underneath, so there's nice dimension, and 3 more of those cutouts. I love this one, the postcard style. I think that's really cute. So there's a lot more photo options there. 2 more nice big pages, and I made this cute little banner with this postage stamp cut out from the paper. The photo will slide underneath. And here I just punched out 2 different size hearts, and then used another one of those postage stamps for the embellishment. That'll slide behind. Another big paper bag pocket, and another photo booklet. And here's another really cute image from the paper I cut out. Photo will slide behind. And this guy here, Humpty Dumpty, up on foam for dimension. The doilies. And 3 more of those cutout cards. Really, really, really cute. And then this is the back of the album. So that's it, guys. That's my album share paper bag. If you're interested, I'll post a link below this. This one is in my eBay along with the wallet style mini I just shared with you guys. And if you want, you know, to check out closer shots of pictures and things like that, you can gladly click on over and check it out. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, everybody, and happy crafting.